Many people experience joint pain in their knees, elbows, and hands. This pain is often associated with aging and is commonly overlooked as a normal part of life. However, untreated pain can lead to stress and potential damage to the knees. Causes of knee pain include excessive use, low bone density, muscle and tissue wear and tear, and vitamin deficiencies, particularly calcium, vitamin D, and iron. Lack of these vitamins increases the risk of arthritis and joint inflammation. To address knee and joint pain, a natural remedy in the form of a smoothie can be highly effective. This smoothie contains ingredients that possess anti-inflammatory properties and essential nutrients for joint health. Ingredients: 2 small cups of diced pineapple, 1 cup of rolled oats, 2 cups of water, 1 glass of orange juice, 1 cinnamon stick. Raw, natural honey, optional for sweetness. Preparation: 1. Cook the rolled oats in water for a few minutes and allow them to cool down. 2. In a blender, combine the cooked oats, diced pineapple, orange juice, cinnamon stick, and raw honey, if desired. 3. Blend all the ingredients until smooth. 4. For desired consistency, add more water to the smoothie. It is recommended to consume this smoothie daily for the best results. After consistently drinking the smoothie for 5 days, individuals should experience significant relief from knee and joint pain. Knee and joint pain should not be ignored, as untreated pain can lead to more serious problems. A balanced diet, rich in vitamins, bromelain, and magnesium, is essential for joint health. The healing smoothie made from pineapple, rolled oats, orange juice, cinnamon, and honey provides anti-inflammatory properties and important nutrients for relieving knee and joint pain. Try this recipe and share your experience in the comments section. Cheers to a pain-free life.